Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Jeremy's Outdoor Addiction. Today we're back out here in the deep water channel here. Just launched out of Barge Canal, and we are targeting stripers and sturgeon. It looks like it's pretty muddy out here. The water's super stained from last night's rain. A little windy too. It's a bit chilly. We're out here just targeting whatever the bites. Sturgeon or striper, I'll take them all. Do a little bit fishing until noon or so, and then time to head home afterwards. But the high tide's gonna kick in here around 9 o'clock. Peak high tide's around 1 p.m. So we're gonna do some bass here to get into some action. That'd be nice if I could catch my second sturgeon. That'd be lovely. So I forgot to mention to you that California, you're allowed to keep 3 sturgeon per year, 1 per day. So I got my first one already. On to the second one before the end of the year. At least one more until the end of the year, and that's it. That'd be nice. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna be soaking some bait, soaking some ghost shrimp again, and hopefully we get into some action, some kind of bite. The water's super stained from last night's rain. Well, that's perfect. That's definitely perfect for sturgeon. I like it when it's flooded out and muddy and really big water. Give it a little bit of pressure in that water system so those fish will bite. So right now we're heading out into Lake Washington right now. Right by the harbors, the big ships. Let's go ahead and add some sturgeon cocktail on that. See if it bites. See if something eats. I need to get the ejection needles for these. Come on, stripers. I know you want it. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's what you want to see right there. That's what I'm talking about. It's right next to the bridge only. There's a lot of them, tons of them, a lot. I already got one on the stringer. Right now, just catch and release now. I don't know if I want to throw in 2 rods or just one. It's hot right now. It's like insanely crazy. already got one on the stringer. And right now just catch and release. Tons of them. I think they're chasing bait. Some big arches with them too. Follow the birds, guys. Follow the birds. There it is. The seagulls will tell you where the bait fish are located at. There's always bigger fish right underneath that. Just gotta find that school of fish again. There's a hit, there's a hit, there's a good hit. That's a good hit. Woo-hoo. This one's heavy. This one's really heavy. I don't know if there's two of them or not. Okay. That's another keeper. I don't know what happened, but I got him good. Don't go crazy, don't go crazy. There it is. There's another keeper right there. That's probably 19, 20. Just another keeper. At least that one. Go back and do it again. Birds are flying. The keeper strappers are eating. There's another keeper right here. Look at that. It's probably like in the 20s right there. Really nice striper. Chewing. Oh, another keeper. So many keepers. Sheesh. There's another one. Probably a 19. See ya. There's another one on this one too. Sheesh. That's a smaller one. Well, actually, I think one might be cheaper too. Catch and release, baby. Catch and release right now. Oh, sheesh. They're all good sized fish. Woohoo! That's a lot of fish. That is a lot of fish. Oh, let me go up. There it is. Oh, I got hit on another rod too. Oh, shit, crazy. Yeah, that's another hit on another rod too. Oh, shoot, double up all day. That's another good one of her. So yep, that striper frenzy there just dispersed. At least I got into the action just right on time before it disappeared. Birds are still diving over there, but the problem is that it's getting further out there. So on a kayak you can't really chase it. You could, but it'd be really laborious. So I'm just gonna stick with one fish here. I had enough fun today. Just this guy. Up in that looks like a 20-incher. Good sized fish. Good eating sized fish too. So I'll have to call it a day here. Even though I didn't catch my limit, I still had fun. We did catch my limit, but just did a little bit of catch and release.